So what you're able to do in here is basically put little post-it notes on your video. Now what you're trying to do is point out observations. You're not trying to teach the book or what you might write on the whiteboard per se, as you want to point stuff out. So this is a dummy video. It's not an actual video of what your project would look like. What you do is over here on the side is you choose Add Annotation. And they have different kinds of annotations that you can put on there. I'm just going to use Note. So I click that. And then I'm going to put in my note. Notice you can order coffee. So I am able to, where did that go? Oops, I see. So what happens here is you'll notice down at the bottom is where the annotation is. You can actually move that because you want to have it be at a certain point. Like, when is this going to show up? So I'm going to move this to the beginning. And then if I hover my mouse over the edge of the annotation, I'm able to shorten it or make it longer. How long do you want the note to appear on the screen? Now right now I don't see the note, and that's because this playhead here is not on top of the note. So now you notice that it is. By the way, hitting the space bar starts and stops the video. So now do you see up here, while the playhead is at the point of the annotation, I can see it on the screen. I can move it. Move right here. Notice right here is the coffee bar, so I want to point that out. Right, then I'm going to add another annotation. I'll do another note. And I'm going to type that one, 12 hours of travel. Okay, and I'm going to shorten that up. Now I can actually, not only can I drag and move this annotation, I can actually put it on top of the other annotation. So notice they're going to show up partially at the same time. So let me go ahead and move that playhead. You can see the one annotation and then the second annotation. Now, if I pause it right here, pause, don't play. Don't forget I can move where I want the annotation. So this is what I look like after 12 hours of travel. And if you want, you can make the font larger, do some other things. But that's just what you're going to do, is you're just going to keep hitting this Add Annotation button, Add Annotation. I'm going to put a note. What are we observing? Alice talks with her hands. Now on that first annotation I wrote notice you. You don't need to write the word notice because that's the whole point of the annotation. So just get to the point and use as few words as possible. Okay, and move the playhead so I can see it. I'm going to put it wherever you want. Okay, so that's basically how you do it. And you make sure that you hit save and publish. Save and publish. Save and publish.